I had three questions in my mind when I wrote this article. First, how should we explain the inclusiveness of China's economic growth? Namely, the fast growth over the last 40 years has created opportunities for small players who have very little capital and technology to participate in. This certainly has some important lesson for third world countries to pay attention to. Second, despite the success, how should we explain the success of the Chinese government under Xi Jinping to reverse the market-oriented economic reform so swiftly? And why there is no resistance? Thirdly, is more speculative. What could China's future economy look like? Obviously, I cannot provide answers to these questions, but I hope that some of the ethnographic observations in this article will provide some clues for us to start thinking of these important questions. And I did my field work in Yiwu, a trading town in southeast China. As many of you will know already, Yiwu is a success story. It attracted about 500,000 visitors, primarily from the global south, by the way. These visitors are traders before COVID, and its annual trade turnover is about 45 billion US dollars. And most remarkably, Yiwu is an inclusive growth model example. Yiwu's economy grew bigger not because some small number of companies became larger, but rather just more and more small traders joined the economy. So how did the Yiwu do that, and what is the social implication of this model? And that's the core of the article. So I propose two concepts. One is channels, and the other one is a logistical power. Channels explains how traders are economically enabled to participate in the globalized economy and why they can benefit from the growth. And the logistical power explains how this condition is created by the government, and in turn the government, even though enable traders economically, but disempowered them socially and politically. And this explains the economic success as well as why the reform can be reversed quickly, and also hopefully give some clues for us to think of China's future. So if you are interested, please read the article.